guys, Gaston with Rough Country. 2021 was an interesting year to say the least, but one of the best things that came out of 2021 is the new Ford Bronco. On a whole, the automotive community was really excited to see the release of the all-new Bronco, and so were we at Rough Country. One of the coolest things about the new Bronco are the trim level options offered from Ford. When you combine Ford's trim levels and Rough Country's accessories, the possibilities are endless in variety. Now, I've got a couple of examples here, actually more than a couple, probably more Broncos than you've seen shy of a Ford dealership. We're gonna take a look at those, see what trim levels they are, what accessories we have on them from Rough Country, and just get a little more in-depth on each Bronco. All right, first up, we've got this white one. This is a four-door Sasquatch edition, and this one currently has Rough Country's fabricated front bumper, which includes a single-row 20-inch light bar in the center and is flanked by 2-inch pods on each side. The Sasquatch is a great trim level from Ford. We gave it a little Rough Country love with this front bumper, and it looks great. Next to it, we've got a gray Outer Banks, kind of a base model, but that's all right. That's the ones we love because you can do more to them. This one currently has a 2-inch strut leveling kit on it, as well as a Rough Country push bar with 3-inch Osram LEDs and Rough Country tow hook brackets with forged D-rings. As you can see, comparing these two, the 2-inch on the base model is going to give you about the stance of the Sasquatch without the sticker shock from the dealer. Next to this, we've got the Big Bend Sasquatch in a really nice Area 51 blue, which is my favorite color on the new Broncos. We've outfitted this one with our 1.5-inch leveling kit. Also added the nudge bar, just like on the gray one, but instead of the Osrams, we've went with a 20-inch single row light bar. Now this one also has the tow hook brackets as well as the forged D-rings, which I think should be standard on the Broncos because it looks great. Coming on down the line, this beautiful Black Beast here is a Wild Track Sasquatch. We've outfitted it with our 2-inch kit. It's a 2-inch for the Sasquatch. On a base model, it's gonna be a 3-inch kit. We went back with the nudge bar here and the 3-inch Osram LEDs, similar to what we had on the base model gray. Also, just like I said, should be standard, are the tow hook brackets with the forged D-rings. Coming on down the line, we've got a Badlands in that Area 51 blue, and it is set off with a copper fuel wheel and a 37-inch tall tire, and it looks great. We're able to do this with the Rough Country 5-inch lift on this vehicle. We've got our winch mount for the factory Ford bumper, which blends in perfectly and looks great. It also includes a 20-inch single row LED light bar, and we've also added the Rough Country forged D-rings. This is a factory Ford bumper, but we've added our triple 2-inch pods just like we do on the Raptors, and boy, it really sets that off. And last but not least is this beautiful blue beast sitting on a Rough Country 7-inch lift and 40s. That's right, 40s. This thing has pretty much every accessory. This is our test mule, if you will. It's got our fab front bumper, complete with lights. It's got our hidden winch. It's got our forged tow hooks. It's got our 50-inch light bar up front. It's got our ditch lights. It's got our side steps. It's got our storage in the back. Some may say that this is an extreme example of what you can do with a Bronco, and that's okay, because I know some of you guys are extreme. Whether you have a Bronco or you're thinking about getting one, you're gonna wanna personalize it. Each one of these shows off what you can do. This one, which in my opinion is the baddest of all, started out as a base model, and look at it now. They grow up so fast. To be honest with you, we're still not even done with this rig yet. Be sure to click that subscribe button so you see the latest products for the Bronco as soon as they come out. Until next time, I'm Gaston.